Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. First, let's start with the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 for Xbox and PlayStation. Begin by locating the buttons on your headset. You need to find the Mode button and the Connect button. These are usually on the side of the ear cup. Once you have found both buttons, press and hold them at the same time. Keep holding them for about 20 seconds. This is important, so do not release too early. After a while, the headset will power off. That means the reset process has been completed. Now, press the power button to turn the headset back on. After restarting, your headset may no longer be connected to your console. If that happens, you will need to pair it again. Now let's move on to the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 3. Start by locating the Mode button and the Quick Switch button. Both are found on the left ear cup. Make sure the headset is powered on before you begin. Then press and hold both buttons together for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see the headset turn off and then turn back on by itself. This automatic restart means the reset was successful. After the reset, you can use your headset as normal. If needed, reconnect it to your device. Thanks for watching.